I was looking, my daughter was in the first standard, second standard, third standard. Has anyone gone through the Konkani textbook content? Do you all know how many mistakes are there in the Konkani textbook? Yeah, the principal itself had no way of addressing it and getting it rectified. Right, correct the content first, then extend the school hours. What are you going to teach? All faults? Our own mother tongue you have not rectified. What are you practically doing? Now, assignments are there. My two girls, morning to school, followed by music class. Alright, they are home by 4:30. Assignments are there, their day-to-day lessons are there, music practice is there. When do the kids unwind? Very good. Huh? The government says we are focused for the children, right? The children's future is their focus. Who is giving employment to Goan students? How many students are bringing the medical colleges by Goans? Who is standing up for Goans? They reserved quota for certain classes. For the general quota, who is getting admissions in Goa? Where are our students getting chances for employment? I am educated. Do I have a job in Goa?
Because my child was all worried and confused and kept on asking me why we are having school in month of April. Mama, it is so hot now only, we can't manage. There is no proper ventilation in the school, there is no proper water for them to drink. With one fan, 40 children, 45 children in one class. How is it possible for them to run in month of April? They are sweating. Will they able to concentrate on the lessons what teachers are giving? Will they benefit anything from the lessons what teacher will give them in the class in this whole month? Why are you all making our children suffer? All the children are waiting desperately, directors, sir, for you to know that the April month is given holiday for them. All the children of Goa are desperately waiting. None of the child want to go to the school in month of April because they know what are the consequences. I have literally bought a water bottle for my child, 1.5 liter, and I've told him, hug like this, put a bag and hug a bottle and walk. So because there is no proper water facilities also in the school. Imagine what the children are going. And why are you all making suffer our children? Why haven't you all taken consent from our parents who our children are going to suffer? How you all made decisions by yourself?
आता ते म्हणटा कोणे म्हाका सांगलें की आय डोंट नो that they have to complete 1200 hours of teaching. That is easily met. Who is saying it doesn't meet? They meet जाता, and teachers, headmasters have all protested saying that it is already being done, and why? What is the point in introducing them in April? आता हांवें सांगले प्रमाणे म्हाजी तिगां भुरगीं आहा, एक आहा 6th, दुसरी आहा 3rd आनी 1st. आता 6th आहा त्या भुरग्याक क्लासी आसतल्यो for 1.5 hours. की दोगां जाणां घरा आसतलीं. The moral of my elder kid will be killed there itself. ते म्हणटाले आपली siblings are there at home. What will I am sitting at home in the class. What is she will have no concentration for her studies in April purely. So that's what people have to understand. I don't. Secondly, आता पेरेंट्सांचेर हाडटो. इस्कॉल सुट्टले 11:30. 11:30 खंयच्या पेरंटाक प्रायवेट ऑफिसांतल्यान न्हू गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसांतल्यान घरा येवपाक मेळटले भुरग्यांक म्हणजे आमच्या भुरग्यांक रस्त्यार सोडपाची इस्कॉलांनी से हियर कितें म्हणपाक जाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हे 4-5 जाण इन द गव्हर्मेंट हू हॅव टेकन दीस डिसिजन आर लिटरली लो IQ bulldozers. Don't get me wrong, these people are only bulldozing what is come something from the center without evaluating the ground realities, without evaluating weather, without understanding the problems of the parents and the students, without understanding the weather. With all this, they have just imposed. So I can only say that these people are low IQ bulldozers who are just getting things and bulldozing onto people. That's all. म्हाका इतलेंच म्हणपाचें आहा. म्हाका आनी एकदां तांकां विनंतीची रिक्वेस्ट की हे आसा ती पॉलिसी एज युजल आमची स्टार्टिंग इन जून एंड एंडिंग इन end of March, or maybe I would say in my personal extend maybe 5-6 days of April and finish up the year. Let the children also enjoy, let the people also have peace of mind. And in this weather and सगळ्यांनी सांगला, सेसिलान सांगला, इतून सांगला, सगळ्यांनी सांगला की weather is so bad. हांगासर आतां आमचे कडेन सोसूंक जायना. भुरगीं बाबडी कितें सोंसतलीं? Are you people only? I really cannot say anything more. Only I think say that these people who have taken decision are baseless decisions taken by putting the stakeholders, rather the parents and the students, at big trouble.
So these are all that are with me right now. Plus, there are thousands of emails that have come across. Plus, teachers also have email. Plus, principal heads also have email. I have also got a letter which I have submitted to your press about a principal's letter in detail, point to point about the objection. So everyone is unhappy. So I think so the education department should realize that when everyone is unhappy, you all as heads who take decisions to please understand and keep us in future in mind, and do not do this, others we will keep going to court for every issue and any matter. This is not the end, this is just the beginning of what has started. We have few of us, next time you will see double, because parents are working and cannot come down on ground. Others, you will see a bigger number on ground. Thank you.
Cecil, I'm sure you're hopeful with the court ruling, but in an event that it goes against you, do you have any other course of action that you will take?
I think so. The parents have already decided that in case if the court goes against, they are hoping that it doesn't, then parents are going to decide whether they want to send their children or not, because parents have already planned their vacation for the month of April. This imposition was not kept then in mind before planning it out. So there will be mass non-representation in the school, and the teachers are worried also and principals are worried. If there are less students in the school, do we repeat the portion again in June when the school reopens? So the teachers also don't know whether should they teach, should they don't teach, others will be double teaching. So it all depends on the verdict, and the parents will definitely take the course of action individually on them when the judgment is out.
Our CM himself is the education minister here. Has he reached out to any of the parents?
We have gone and met him. He looked like he was in favor for the 1st of April. We did try to tell him, saying that how it is important to have holidays. He's also a parent himself. His daughter also, I think, just passed out the 12th standard. So he also knows how important it is to have holidays for the children. And when you're not giving 2-3 days break, that's a shocker. Then you're saying 7th April, their circulars have not yet come out. That is also a shocker. What is 1 week? CBSE students, you can't compare. CBSE, just few numbers compared to 1,400 schools that we have in Goa over here. They are a handful, and if you see any state, I will tell you an example. A CBSE school in Goa, Vidya Vikas, if I am not mistaken, follows the same pattern of holidays like us. CBSE board. So it depends on each and every board what they would like to do. There is no hard rule that is saying that schools have to begin in April. Everyone is saying that, yeah, if CBSE can do it, why can't you? CBSE parents might have not raised issues. We are raising issues because we have all been comfortable with April, May. We all know how hot it is. We all know what is the problems that we are facing day in and day out. And parents have spoken.
Wait for some child to be serious, admitted in the hospital, and then we come to protest. We have to take precautions earlier. It's not that we wait for some child to die with a heat stroke and then all of us come forward. It's not that way.
They do get heat stroke. It's not shown to y'all, or y'all don't know about it, but they do get heat stroke in the school. If you go to see, they feel giddy, they feel like they want to vomit. There are cases.
And people are trolling the children who have voiced up also on Instagram. They are just trolling the kids. What have the kids done in all this? The kids don't have the freedom to voice up, and there are some stupid people who are just trolling the kids. Telling football, you all are going to play football. Football is, for your information, played early in the morning, not at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Any dance activities are done in the evening.